is Patrick Pratico. I'm with MLB Construction Services. I am the project engineer at this site, which is the Albany Airport. We are connecting a bridge from the garage to the terminal, and it expands the terminal to a bigger TSA and a bigger platform. This is my second experience with the Magni. Here we're using it to install MIVA forms for our elevator shaft, which was very convenient because it reached all the areas and we were able to move the Magni if we had to. The ease of use that it supplies, you can put it in multiple areas, reach different heights, so it has a lot of ease of use. Use it as a crane, you can use it as a lull, and you could use it booming up different materials. If you have a big project, you can move it wherever you need. Where a crane can only handle certain things, masons can use it as a forklift at different heights. I could see it being used as a lull and also as a pick, because you can move down the line with it. I have seen, just talking to our operators that are using it, the ease of use and the safety features that it comes with.
My name is Garnet Neve. I'm an operating engineer and I work for MLB. I've been an operating engineer for 45 years. I was actually retired for a little while. I came out of retirement because right now they're really short of crane operators. And I actually got sent out on this little Magni, and I'd never run one before. And I said, I've never run one of these. And they were like, don't worry, Garnet, no problem. You won't have any problems with it. It actually is a real user-friendly machine. I do really like it. And the charts, the computer, everything about it is real user-friendly. It's a nice, small machine. It takes a real small footprint, but it actually can do a lot of work. So I've been working with the Magni with the carpenters and laborers, setting up concrete forms and concrete pours and stripping when we're done with the concrete pours, and some small lift things. I really like the way they have their charts set up in it, the computer screen and everything, your radius, your boom tip height, how much stick you have out. If more cranes were set up this way, they'd make them a whole lot easier to run.
Yeah. The Magni is very versatile. It's basically an outdoor machine, but it has also other functions for cranes, other attachments. It has the capabilities of being remote controlled, which if you're looking in an area where you don't have direct sight, it could be useful for those features. So depending on the job that you have, it could fulfill so many roles.
I really like all the safety that they've got built into this machine. It'll stop you, it won't let you, overload, it won't let you tip over, and it's actually really a great little machine.